In this video, we are going to learn how to solve problems involving molecular nature of matter for JAMB Physics. So guys, we have 19 questions to practice with. These are 19 repeated questions under this topic. So let's get started. The first one I have here says, which of the following phenomena cannot be explained by molecular theory of matter? So guys, the correct option this question will be option A, which is radiation. Radiation cannot be explained by molecular theory of matter. Alright, so let's go to the next question. It is observed that water will wet a clean glass because the cohesion of water to glass is stronger than the cohesion of water molecules. Addition of water molecules is stronger than the cohesion of water molecules. Cohesion of water to glass is weaker than the cohesion of water molecules. Addition of water molecules is weaker than the cohesion of water to glass. So guys, the correct option to this question will be adhesion of water molecules is stronger than the cohesion of water molecules. That's the correct option, option B. The next question is this one. It says, if a tube of small radius open at both ends is placed in a liquid, the liquid will have a rise above the liquid level if the liquid does not weigh the glass, fall below the liquid level if the liquid weighs the glass, fall below the liquid level if the liquid does not weigh the glass. So guys, the correct option this question is option C. Alright, it will fall below the liquid level if the liquid does not weigh the glass. Alright, so that's it for this question. Let's go to the next repeated question, which is this one. It says, when a water droplet is placed on a freshly cut piece of wood, it spreads out to form a thin layer because the wood is cohesive to water, adhesive to water, not at equilibrium with the water, at equilibrium with the water. So the correct option is option B, adhesive to water. Let's go to the next one, which is this. It says, counting of currency notes with moist fingers is based on the principle of. The correct option to this question is option C, adhesion. Alright, adhesion is a force of attraction between molecules of different substances, whereas cohesion is the force of attraction between molecules of the same substance. So let's go to the next question, which is this one. It says, a piece of wire gauze can be made to lie on water because we have A, the wire gauze is less dense than water. B, the water molecule repels the wire gauze upwards. C, the water surface has the effect of an elastic thin skin. D, of the cohesive force between the water and the wire gauze molecules. So guys, the correct option this question will be option C. A piece of wire gauze can be made to lie on water because the water surface has the effect of an elastic thin skin. That's the correct option, option C. Let's go to the next question, which is this one. It says, when temperature of a liquid increases, its surface tension will basically decrease. Alright, so it will decrease. Option A, its surface tension decreases. Let's go to the next question, which is this one. It says, water does not drop through an open umbrella of zinc material unless the inside of the umbrella is touched. This is due to, the correct option is option A, surface tension. Alright, take note of this particular question. Let's go to the next one, which is this one. It says, the rise or fall of a liquid in a narrow tube is due to. The correct option to this question, guys, will be option B, the surface tension of the liquid. Basically, this is capillarity, and capillarity is, caused by the surface tension of the liquid. Alright, so that's the correct option to this question, option B. The rise and fall of a liquid in narrow tube, which is capillarity, is used to surface tension of the liquid. Let's go to the next one, which is this one. It says, mercury does not wet glass because cohesion in mercury is greater than the adhesion of mercury to glass. This is basically the correct option, guys, option A. Option B says adhesion is equal to cohesion. No, adhesion of mercury to glass is greater than cohesion in mercury. No, no cohesion in the mercury. Option D, no. So when you have mercury, the cohesive force is usually greater than the adhesive force. Alright, so the correct option here is option A. Let's go to the next video question, which is this one. Alright, so guys, before we attempt this question, if you are new to our channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel for more of our videos. We really appreciate this, guys. So this question says the concept of moistening the fingers before counting money can be explained using. I think I've answered this question before. The correct option is option D, which is adhesive force. Let's go to the next one, which is this one. It says difference observed in solids, liquids, and gases may be accounted for by. The correct option here is option A, the spacing and forces acting between the molecules. Let's go to the next question, which is this one. It says if a tube of small radius opened at both ends is placed in a liquid way. I think we've answered this question before. Let's check the option. The liquid will rise above the liquid level if the liquid does not weigh the glass. Option B, remain at the same level irrespective of whether the liquid weighs the glass or not. Option C, fall below the liquid level if the liquid does not weigh the glass. Option D, fall below the liquid level if the liquid gets wet the glass. The correct option is option C, fall below the liquid level if the liquid does not wet the glass. Alright, so that's it for this question. Let's go to the next question, which is this one. It says the rise of liquid in narrow tube is because of we have answered this question as well. It's because of the surface tension of the liquid. Let's go to the next question, which is this one. It says which combination of the above is evident of the molecular nature of matter. So guys, the correct option this question will be option B, which is I and IV. Melting, boiling, and conduction and refraction is not an evidence of the molecular nature of matter. Alright, so let's go to the next question, which is this one. It says which of the following explains the concave meniscus of water? In a glass tube, we have option A, the correlation between water molecules is greater than the adhesion between glass and water. No. The molecules of water near the glass are moving faster than the molecules in the other parts. No. The adhesion between water and glass is greater than the correlation between water molecules. Yes. So this is the correct option C. Alright, let's go to the next question, which is this one. It says when the temperature of a liquid is increased, its surface tension. I think I've answered this question as well before. The correct option here is option A, if surface tension decreases. Let's go to the next one, which is this one. It says if detergent is added to a liquid, the surface tension reduces. Alright, so the correct option here is what? Option A. Okay, lastly, before we call it a class, this question it says which of the following liquids has the highest surface tension? Now the correct option here is option A, which is mercury. Mercury has the highest surface tension. So this is basically how you can do problems involving molecular nature of matter for your JAMB Physics. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's call it a video here, guys. We practice with 19 of the questions. If you are new to our channel once more, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel now by hitting the subscribe button for more of our videos. Also like, share, and comment on this video. Let me know how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I have talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Alright. Also ensure that you're part of our channel membership by hitting on the join button. Be part of our community. There we share special information that helps to simplify academic work for those parts of the community. So join us now and you'll be glad you did. Now click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.